Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Megan. I like to make videos about mom things, vegan lifestyle things, and my weight loss journey. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. Today I am unboxing my new Erin Condren Life Planner that's in this lovely yellow box. And also, I figured I would lump this in. I ordered from PlannerKate some stickers to go in my Erin Condren planner. So I'm just gonna group these two things together because I ordered quite a bit from PlannerKate off of Etsy. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing everything. But before I do so, make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss any uploads, and also go follow me over on my Instagram. And if you really like this video and you want to help my channel out, because I really would appreciate it, because like I said, it really does help my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the planner first. Hold on, I did not bring a thing to open this with. Hold on. Just kidding. I did. It was in my bathroom. My little one is napping right now, so I brought everything into my bedroom to do this video. And yeah, this is life as a mom. You have to, you know, do things during nap time and stay out of the other side of the house. Okay. So I might change the angle of this video just so you can like really see things, but let's see what happens. Okay, so this is how pretty it looks when you first open the box. On top it has a pamphlet thing. It says volume 6. It looks like it's some coupons and stuff. Not really sure what this is. I'm gonna go through it. I just threw it on the floor. I'm gonna go through that later. But it is really prettily packaged. Let me figure out how to change the angle of this so that you guys can see this better before I open it. Okay, so hopefully this is a little bit of a better angle so that you guys can actually see everything. I've never filmed a video like this, so hopefully it works out. I do not want to tear this pretty paper, but I'm gonna have to do it. Oh, it pains me. Okay, so in here is a little welcome thing. It just says hello and welcome, thanks for your first order. There's some sample free little gift labels in here. So these are pretty cute. It looks like they are sticker gift labels, so that's nice. And then these are the other ones that are included. Those are super cute. Okay, and this is the famous like Erin Condren blue box that they always send it in. Maybe it's not always blue, but I do hear that they always send it in a keepsake box so that after you are done with the planner that you can like store it in this box. Okay, so here's the moment of truth, because I ordered mine custom with the colors that I wanted. So here we go. Ooh, it is so pretty. Okay, so it just says your potential to succeed is infinite. If you are not following me on Instagram, I did post a poll of which cover I should get and then I customized it for the colors that I wanted, which at the time of posting that, I did not know that I could do that. So originally, I think the color scheme was like a purple and pink, but I made it teal and pink, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. And then at the bottom here, I also had them add my name. And then I'm gonna take off the snap-on ruler. So this comes with every single one. Oh, and there's stuff falling out. So there's this that comes with it. I guess this is more welcome stuff. Yeah, I'm on the struggle bus. All right, so it looks like there's a circle label in here, discount cards, compliment cards, more gift labels. Super cool that they send you lots of free little goodies. So I guess these are the compliment cards. These are the gift sticker things, gift labels. Gosh, I can't even find words today. Super duper pretty. And then these are the little coupons. So nice that they include that. Okay, so the one that I ended up going with, this is the inside cover. This cover is interchangeable, so I could buy different covers in the future if I choose to do so. I went with the, I think it's called Mid-Century Modern or something print. It's like this super colorful pattern that is at the top. Here, let me put this back down and readjust for you guys. I will also say this, I went with an 18-month planner because it didn't cost any extra to go with an 18-month, and I thought that I might as well because why not? I also ordered, and it's already like, we're going on halfway through the month of July. Today is July the 10th already. So I was a little bit late to this party of Erin Condren by the time that I ordered. So I figured I might as well get some extra months out of it since I was a little late to the party. So let's go ahead and go to the first month just to see what it looks like. So on every like month tab page, there's a quote. Then it's the monthly, like full month spread. And then like this is called the dashboard page. So that's pretty much what every, like the beginning of every month looks like. And I went with the horizontal spread for mine. That's just the way that mine works best. I watched tons and tons of videos to figure out which one that I thought I might like best. And that's just what I went with. So I went with the super colorful like pattern and then the horizontal layout. So I'm super happy with how this turned out. I am gonna have to go through every single page of this planner. That is what I have been told from the planner experts, but I am super excited. Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you guys, but I am super excited about this planner. I really, really hope that I use this planner to its fullest potential and that it helps me get my life together. So that is probably enough of this planner. Oh, going to the back, it looks like there is some stickers included. Ooh, and they are in the back already. So that is really nice because I didn't know if they were going to include any stickers, but they do. So there are some stickers included already. Like this week, to do. You guys probably can't even see that because they're also metallic-y. So those are the stickers included. Looks like there's some like check off boxes. Some happy birthday ones. The cupcakes are super cute. These are just some like square boxes, or well, rectangles. I need to learn my shapes. And then these are different holidays that are in each month. Some more little boxes and circles, and some even more like different holidays. So super awesome. And then there's a little folder in the back that I can use to keep more stickers in. And then this is another little planner that is included. It's called the Perpetual Planner or Calendar. Gosh, I can't even read. So let's see what's included in this. So this is just like maybe if you have annual things that are always due on a certain day every single year, you could put it in this. It's just like an undated calendar. And then it also shows you like holidays and different dates. So awesome. And then that is the back cover. So now that we've gone through that, let's open this PlannerKate order. And again, I bought this off of Etsy. I did not go through her website. Maybe I will next time. But I ordered a bunch of stuff for her. Okay, so it comes in this nice little cellophane bag to keep it all together and really protected. Because the folder, if you see on the bottom, well, it's not really a folder, but the mailer that it came in, if you see on the bottom, is like nice and torn open halfway. But this little cellophane thing will keep it nice and protected. So let me get out what I actually, like the list of what I ordered for you guys, just so I know what I actually ordered. Because I hear that she sends like lots of freebies. Okay. So I for sure ordered these little dashboards stickers for habit tracking, and I ordered several of them. So I got the teal one, I got this light pink, purple, another like darker pink one, green, aqua, let's see, I got the months done in a script pattern. I got these like little YouTube icon stickers. I thought they were really cute. These are called, I think, the like appointment squares or appointment labels. Yeah, just standard appointment labels in the bold color scheme. These are the horizontal check boxes. And then I got, these are the transparent like calendar dots. And then I got the script goals in 29A. And then I also got this like, whoa, focus, freebie sampler grab bag. So let's open and see what's in here. This was an option on Etsy to grab. So this is a bunch of different sized boxes. This is a bunch of different like workout little boxes, planners where you can put what workout you did, time and like calories burned. Little meal planners, I guess. Different scripts. Focus. There you go. Those are really cute. Different doodles. More appointment boxes. Smaller appointment boxes. More doodles. Appointment boxes, and then I guess like a habit tracker, like a weekly habit tracker, which funny enough, I almost bought some of these. And then the freebies that she sent, just because she's awesome, is a dash icon for different things. It looks like there's like a running shoe, a weight, a doctor, like a tooth for a dentist, glasses, like a pet maybe, like a vet icon, a book, a computer, a TV. Some other little script things. These are really cute. Some more fork and knives. Little appointment boxes. I don't know what you would use these for, but maybe like something you needed to do in like in the AM and PM maybe. And then these are cute little weather icons. So those are really cute as well. So you can see like she sent on her own just like a lot of extra freebies aside from the ones that I got in my little grab bag. All right, so that was kind of a mishmash of a video. Hopefully it comes out okay. But that is going to be it for this video. Oh, the other thing that PlannerKate included in her package was a little business card with a 20% off coupon code in it. So that is really nice of her, super generous in her order. And it honestly wasn't super expensive for everything that was included with all the freebies and everything. So yeah, I am super duper excited to get started in my planner. I honestly don't think I am a planner person, as in like I don't think I will be including a ton of like planner content on my channel. I don't think that's the direction of my channel, but I thought I would include me at least opening my planner and showing you guys what I got for my planner, because I think all moms probably could benefit from having a good planner, at least if you were busy like myself, trying to work full-time, trying to do YouTube, trying to potentially do another thing on the side of that. So anyways, that is going to be it for this video. Again, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Again, that really helps out my channel more than you could ever know. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you have any favorite sticker shops for your planners, leave them down in the comments as well. I would love to check them out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!